Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you
Oh hi! Welcome to the video!
This might seem like a bit of an unnecessarily complicated intro to this video, but I think it's very fitting because while almost every other video of ours only takes about 1 or 2 weeks to make, this video has been
1 whole year in the making.
Let us explain. Almost exactly 1 year ago, in the beginning of the first COVID lockdown, we arrived in Germany from London because we lost our jobs because of Corona. So we decided to temporarily move back to Lena's family in the German countryside. But before we could join Lena's family, we had to quarantine. And there wasn't much to do apart from dressing up and watching the latest season of La Casa de Papel on Netflix. And if you've never seen La Casa de Papel, you definitely should. But
make a recommendation. It's about a heist, and in the intro sequence you can see the paper model of the bank they're gonna be robbing.
So we were inspired by that to make our own paper version of Lena's family's house. Not that we're trying to rob it or anything. After only about 1 or 2 weeks of work, the main house was done and we showed it to Lena's family. Everyone loved it, so we gave it a space on a cabinet. Then you would think it was done. But we decided to every now and then add in a little details. 1 tree here, fence there.
Cat there. But there was a lot to do, but now exactly 1 year later, we're finally about to be completely finished.
With the whole dang thing. So let me get the model and show you what that looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you La Casa de Joscha y Lena, inspired by the Spanish Netflix series La Casa de Papel. Let me show you around. So of course first we have the 2 main houses here and the chicken house. It's funny how our chicken almost have equally as big of a house as we do. So these 3 houses were the first thing that we built. Then I put in the trees over the time. We also have fences, hedges, even a tiny little satellite thing. We have Findus, the dog here. We have Minka, the cat over here, the whole family, and me photographing the whole family. The 3 chickens that are the only thing that's a bit out of proportion. And at the front here we have Lena's uncle and aunt, which we had to include because they are big fans of our YouTube channel. So yeah, become a fan of our YouTube channel and we will put up a paper figure of you here as well. The first paper for this project was cut at the end of March 2020, and now exactly 1 year later the last tree is about to be planted and all this will finally be finished. I saved the very biggest tree for last and it will go exactly here. Once that is done, I will finally be able to make what I've been dying to do since the first time I thought about this, and that is film an epic intro sequence in the style of La Casa de Papel. I am so excited to finally do that. But first, we need to plant the last tree. So let's check out this last, biggest of all trees. It's about double as high as the house. I thought the one big tree was the last thing that I still had to do. But then I realized there's like a whole bunch of things that I also forgot. We also have to do this tree, this tree, this question mark, and this hut. And this video is supposed to come out on Sunday. Gotta get to work. it's done. Da, 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 da. After 1 year of work, the model is finally complete and it looks so good. I'm a very happy father of this model, and I would absolutely love to just pop a confetti bomb right over it, but that would take forever to clean, so I'm not gonna do that. And instead I'm gonna film some epic shots of the model for my very own Casa de Papel intro sequence. So let's do that. After many hours, filming is also done. I've got some really nice shots. I'm very excited to see how that turns out. I will probably get a copyright strike for using the original song, but it's just too cool not to. So, without further ado, enjoy.
If I stay with you, if I'm choosing wrong, I don't care at all. If I'm losing now, but I'm winning late, that's all I want. I don't care at all. I am lost. I don't care at all. Lost my time, my life is going on.
Oh, that was a nice video. Gives me goosebumps every time. What about you, Lena?
I haven't even seen it.
Oh yeah, right.
But yeah, it's great. Thank you so much for watching.
And consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this one. Even though we're probably not gonna build anything like that again anytime soon.
Why not?
Because it took us a year to do it. Alright, we're doing it again.